Are you ready to elevate your driving experience? A top-notch car stereo can transform your daily commute or road trip into a concert-like adventure. With advancements in technology, the options available today are more impressive than ever, offering crystal clear sound, seamless connectivity, and a range of features that cater to every audiophile's needs. Whether you're a casual listener or dedicated music lover, finding the right car stereo can make all the difference. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the best car stereos on the market, helping you choose the perfect system to enhance your on-the-road experience. Buckle up and let's dive in. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website, TopPicksNow.com. Like this video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. JVC KW-M56BT, our pick for best budget car stereo. Are you on the hunt for a new car stereo that offers great value without compromising on quality? The JVC KW-M56BT might be the perfect solution for you. This double-din car stereo boasts a customizable 6.8-inch capacitive touchscreen, ensuring that you have a user-friendly interface at your fingertips. Its gesture control feature allows you to simply swipe to adjust the volume or change tracks, making your driving experience more intuitive and less distracting. A significant highlight of the KW-M56BT is its compatibility with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, enabling you to connect your smartphone seamlessly. This integration not only allows for hands-free calling, but also keeps navigation and entertainment at your fingertips. You'll find yourself enjoying your favorite music and podcasts in no time. In terms of sound quality, the built-in amplifier and equalizer deliver an impressive 50 watts of power per channel, ensuring your favorite tunes will come to life with clarity and depth. The unit also includes a backup camera input and supports steering wheel controls, adding convenience and safety to your driving. Ultimately, the JVC KW-M56BT brings together an array of features in an affordable package, making it an ideal choice for anyone looking to enhance their driving experience. Step into a world of quality sound and smart connectivity without breaking your budget. Number 4. Alpine ILX-W650, our pick for best car stereo for easy installation. Are you searching for a car stereo that combines ease of use with a wealth of features? The Alpine ILX-W650 might be the perfect solution for you. This double-din head unit features a vibrant 7-inch capacitive touchscreen, allowing you to effortlessly control your audio and entertainment options. Whether you're using an Android smartphone or an iPhone, this unit's compatibility with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay ensures you can stay connected while on the road. With built-in Bluetooth, 2 camera inputs, and USB connectivity, you'll have all the modern conveniences at your fingertips. Plus, the external microphone guarantees crystal clear voice commands and hands-free calls, enhancing your driving safety. Sound quality is vital, and the ILX-W650 does not disappoint. With 50 watt by 4 powers and a built-in amplifier, you can expect exceptional audio whether you're listening to music, podcasts, or navigating with GPS. One of the standout features is its shallow mount design, measuring just 2 1/13 of 16 inches deep. This means installation is straightforward, even in vehicles with limited space behind the dashboard. You'll also have the flexibility for future upgrades, such as adding a power pack amp for an even richer sound experience. The Alpine ILX-W650 offers a blend of convenience, quality, and affordability, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to enhance their in-car audio experience. Discover the difference today. Number 3. Pioneer DMH-WC5700NEX, our pick for best car stereo for Apple CarPlay. Are you in search of a versatile and user-friendly car stereo system? The Pioneer DMH-WC5700NEX could be the perfect fit for you. This modular system features a 6.8-inch capacitive touchscreen display designed for easy installation in the tightest spaces thanks to its single-din chassis. The tablet-like interface with intuitive icon controls makes it effortless for you to navigate your favorite apps and music while driving. One of the standout features of the WC5700NEX is its exceptional support for Apple CarPlay, enabling safe hands-free access to your phone, music library, messages, and favorite apps. If you prefer Android, you'll be pleased to know that this system is also compatible with Android Auto and Amazon Alexa, ensuring you stay connected no matter what smartphone you use. Plus, with Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, HDMI, 2 camera inputs, and a rear auxiliary input, you'll have multiple ways to connect your devices. Experience outstanding sound quality with the built-in 50-watt by 4 amplifiers and a 13-band graphic equalizer, delivering your music in crystal clear detail. Whether you're an iPhone aficionado or an Android enthusiast, the Pioneer DMH-WC5700NEX enhances your driving experience, ensuring you enjoy your favorite tunes with ease and clarity. Elevate your car audio system today and transform your time on the road into an engaging and connected journey. Number 2, Alpine Halo11 ILX F511, our pick for best touchscreen car stereo. The Alpine Halo11 ILX 511 is designed to elevate your car audio experience like never before. Its impressive 11-inch floating touchscreen display not only enhances the aesthetic of your vehicle, but is also highly adjustable in height, depth, and viewing angles, ensuring that you can find the perfect positioning for your needs. With a crisp resolution of 1280 by 720 pixels, every interaction is sharp and responsive, making navigation a breeze. This unit is engineered to fit comfortably into most single DIN openings, meaning it can seamlessly integrate into a variety of vehicles without compromising on style. You're going to love the effortless smartphone compatibility, as the ILX 511 supports both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Plus, with built-in Bluetooth, you can make hands-free calls and stream your favorite music effortlessly. For the audio enthusiast, the ILX 511 offers a range of options, including Sirius XM readiness and a built-in HD radio, enriching your listening experience. It also features multiple inputs for cameras and USB devices, along with an HDMI connection for external media players. When it comes to sound quality, you have complete control with a 13-band parametric equalizer and customizable filters. This level of adjustment allows you to fine-tune your audio to suit your unique taste, transforming every drive into an enjoyable journey. The Alpine Halo11 ILX 511 is more than just a car stereo. It's your gateway to an immersive driving experience. Number 1, Pioneer DMH-WT7600NEX, our pick for best car stereo overall. If you're in search of an exceptional car stereo experience, the Pioneer DMH-WT7600NEX is an upgrade you won't want to miss. This multimedia receiver is designed to elevate your driving moments. With compatibility for both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, available both wired and wirelessly, you can easily access your favorite apps without any hassle. But the Pioneer DMH-WT7600NEX isn't just about connectivity. Its array of entertainment options is extensive. Enjoy your favorite tunes from Sirius XM, HD radio, or stream them effortlessly through Bluetooth. You can also make hands-free calls, ensuring your focus remains on the road. Sound quality is another highlight of this receiver. With a customizable 13-band graphic equalizer and a built-in digital signal processor, you have the tools to fine-tune your audio experience to match your preferences perfectly. The large 9-inch LED touchscreen, featuring a floating design, not only enhances aesthetics, but also ensures easy visibility and adjustability. Convenience is key with features like inputs for backup cameras, a USB input, and even a detachable face for added security. While the Pioneer DMH-WT7600NEX sits at the higher end of the price spectrum, the premium features it offers make it a worthwhile investment for anyone serious about in-car entertainment. Every drive can become a dynamic and engaging experience with this advanced multimedia receiver, guiding you through your journeys in style and sound. That's a wrap. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe. And let us know in the comment which car stereo you are going to choose. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.